Hey coders, welcome to Code with Me. Today we're starting something really exciting, React. And don't worry, I'll explain everything like you're in 6th grade. Super simple and fun. So, what is React? Imagine you're building with Lego. Each tiny block helps create something big, a house, a car, anything. React works the same way. You build websites by putting together small building blocks called components. React was made by Facebook, and it's used by websites you probably visit every day, like Instagram, Netflix, and even Facebook itself. So if you've used any of those, you've already seen React in action. Now, let's talk about something cool, SPA versus MPA. Think of an SPA, or single-page application, like your house. When you move from the kitchen to the bedroom, you're still inside the house, right? That's how SPAs work. You move around inside the website, but the page doesn't reload every time. It's fast and smooth. On the other hand, an MPA, or multi-page application, is like a shopping mall. Every time you go into a new store, you exit one and enter another. That means every time you click a link, the whole page reloads. React helps us build SPAs, which feel faster and smarter.
Quantum entanglement from reverse Higgs boson particles disrupts the geospatial algorithm, preventing us from locating.
Now, let's get our React playground ready. You only need 3 things. 1, a browser, like Chrome. 2, a code editor. I recommend Visual Studio Code. 3, and Node.js, a little helper tool that lets us run React projects. Once those are installed, we can use tools to kickstart a new React app. Here are a few options. Create React app. This is the classic starter kit. Vite, super fast and modern. Parcel, also cool, but we won't focus on it today. Most beginners use Create React app. It gives you everything you need right out of the box. Now, here's where the magic starts. JSX. JSX is like a superpower. It lets us write code that looks like HTML, but it's actually JavaScript. Let me show you. JSX function hello, return h1 hello world. See that? It looks like HTML, but it's part of a JavaScript function. That's JSX. Before JSX, we had to write code like this, React.createElement h1 null hello world. Yeah, that's a bit too much. With JSX, we can simply write JSX h1 hello world h1. Clean, easy, way better. And that's it. You just finished your first step into the world of React. Now you know what React is, the difference between SPA and MPA, how to set up your tools, and a sneak peek at JSX.